Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you're trying to build and you can't build anymore because of this new simple build update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn off this annoying simple build update on your game easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Fortnite settings, and here what you're going to do is you're going to go into game here, and then you're going to scroll down on here until you go into building, and here you'll have simple build. So just turn off simple build on here, and then you can go ahead and press escape on your keyboard, and then simple build will be turned off and it will save your game. And now you can go ahead and build normally like you would before this update. So there just guys, that's how easy it was to turn off simple build in the new Fortnite update. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.